Welcome to Goyum, 70 tons per day cottonseed oil mill plant installed in Punjab, India. The process initiates at the intake section, where raw cotton seeds are transported via a regular conveyor into the expeller cooker. Inside the expeller chamber, high-pressure mechanical pressing begins. The crude oil is extracted and passes out from the small openings in the chamber. The extracted crude oil is channeled to the storage tanks, while the remaining solid material is discharged as oil cake and sent to the bagging section. The crude oil then undergoes neutralization section, where soap stock and other impurities are removed to ensure oil quality and stability. Oil cake is simultaneously routed to the bagging section for final packaging.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.